Someone got ripped off. Yeah, the sun's out. It's your boy Alex the Vegan, back at it again. Gonna show you what I'm doing today. Let's get into it right now. Well, what do we have here? Nice little farm veggie burger from Joe's Farm Grill. These beautiful pickles, nice veggie burger, beautiful bun, some Thousand Island, vegan Thousand Island under there, some sweet potato fries. Just finished up that meal. Farm veggie burger from Joe's Farm Grill. Sweet potato fries are real good. Hold up. What up? What? You got it back? Nice. So today's Tyler's birthday, so we came to Joe's Farm Grill because you get a free meal or you get 10 bucks credit or something like that. So that's pretty solid. That was really good. I haven't had that burger in a minute, which means it's been a while since I've had that burger. And yeah, it was delicious. It was my first meal of the day. I know, not the best meal, but I woke up kind of late and he was waiting for me to go to the gym because I told him we'd go really early. So yeah, already got that gym out of the way. Almost got my first muscle up. Feeling good. And yeah, about to go home and probably rest up a little bit, shower, get ready for the day. Got work tomorrow. It's Sunday right now, December 2nd. Happy December, everyone. And I will see ya when I see ya. So see ya. Yeah, the sun's out. Finally. Woo! Finally. Got the sun. Probably shouldn't be driving and filming and vlogging and driving and stick shift and yeah, man. Sun's out, buns out. Let's go! So me and my boy Rye just left Sprouts. Got some creatine, you know what I'm saying? Also got some beet juice for the post-workout, and I got some Mega Foods Daily C vitamin C. You dig? It doesn't get much better than that, man. About to go to Natural Grocers, grab a couple more things for the week. And then after that, we're gonna be gone. We're gonna be gone to the next adventure. Gonna start the next work week tomorrow, and then after that, you already know what it is. Cheers, boys and girls. Got the Suja. Yeah. Feels good, feels good, feels good. Alright, just left Natural Grocers, got 2 blocks of tempeh, got these mushroom burgers that I like, and then these new Good Seed hemp seed sliders. Looks like they're open. What the hell is this? Oh. No wonder they're so cheap, they're tiny. Someone got ripped off. Just kidding. I'll show the ingredients later. Got some coconut milk, the mushroom coffee from 4 Sigmatic. And of course, last but not least, distilled water. I guess I also got the coconut milk in there. And yeah, that concludes the food haul. So here's those burgers that I got, the Good Seed hemp seed sliders. Pretty good ingredients. Look at this right here. 5 super seeds, beetroot, smoky chipotle, Italian herbs, sea veggies. Let's see what's in here. So this tastes like sausage. So we got some millet, sprouted lentils, germinated brown rice, hemp seeds, sunflower seeds, chia seeds, beets, kombu, dulse, orange zest powder, garlic, non-irradiated herbs and spices, and last ingredient, sea salt. Not too bad. What's the macros like? Okay. Nice, 5 grams per. These are actually pretty small, like I told you guys earlier. So to put in perspective, it's not very big at all. Pretty much just as big as that. So I got these in the air fryer, 15 minutes. Got them at 330. Just take a look at these. So they look big, but they're actually not. Well, they look pretty tasty. So while those hemp burgers are cooking, just got started on a quick smoothie. Got a tablespoon of chia seeds in there. I'm about to blend it up again. Got some mangoes, turmeric, black pepper, coconut milk, 1 small banana, some maca powder, protein powder, and some creatine. About to blend it all up. All right, quick taste test. Yeah. Tastes a bit weird, but it's all right. Had a little bit of a headache today, so cool with it. Put a little extra turmeric and black pepper in there. I dig it. Also had some of this lentil soup. Guess I didn't show you guys this. Just red lentils. Cook them, then they turn into pretty much a very soupy texture. Black pepper, turmeric, lemon, salt, a little bit of avocado oil. Yo, 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 it's your boy Alex the Vegan. First things first, I just want to say happy birthday to Tyler. It's my really good friend, man. Known him since 7th grade. We definitely been through it. Super good friend. It was a super awesome day to hit the gym as well. I'm saying super a lot, but almost got my first muscle up, so that's super duper. Oh man, he's crushing the muscle ups and the pull-ups and the dips and all that. It's got me motivated to want to get my first muscle up, and you guys are going to be there when I get it as well, so I'm super excited for that. That burger at Joe's Farm Grill was delicious. I really enjoyed that. And also those hemp seed sliders were actually very surprising. I like them a lot, and only because the ingredients are so clean, and I ate them without bread. I just put a little barbecue sauce on them, and I just ate them just like that. So that goes to show it's a pretty good burger if I can just eat it with that, and those ingredients are just so clean, man. You cannot pass it up. But really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's all over the place, but if you guys did, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Da-deuce! Da-da-da-da-deuce!